Today, I'm super excited. We've got Tim Rice here on the show. Tim has spent roughly about 15 years working in the reliability realm, with a majority of that time in mining, mineral processing industries. Tim, you've got a bachelor's in mechanical engineering, graduate diploma in maintenance management. You've got a passion, from my understanding, for the entire life cycle of asset management. I'm really looking forward to learning more about reliability, the mentality that you've crafted on how to deliver positive gains for any organization. I'm super excited, Tim. Welcome to the show. Let's dive right in. How are you doing?
I'm doing great, Ryan. Thanks for having me on.
All right. Yeah, we'll just dive right into the very first question. What I love to do and kick things off with is I would just love to learn more about your background. And if you could share a little bit about your story and how you got into this space, Tim, that would be great.
For a lot of us, it all started when we were kids. We used to love to pull things apart, put things back together, and that kind of just initiated the fascination with, mechanical systems, electrical systems, and that sort of stuff. It kind of led me into doing my mechanical engineering degree, and then, put me on a path where, I got to actually be very hands-on with the equipment that I found myself in front of every day. And some of it was, quite big equipment in the mining industry. And, you got to meet a lot of great people along the way. I got to work in different parts of the world. As you might tell, I'm not from the US originally. I'm from Australia originally. And in the last 8 years, I've found myself over here in Salt Lake City.
Yeah, can you share with all of our listeners all the different ways they can connect with you, follow you along your journey?
The main one right now is LinkedIn. So everybody feel free to shoot me a request. But hopefully in the next, 3 to 4 months, working on a few things with regards to a website just to defect elimination resources, and then working on a book as well with reliabilityweb.com. So hopefully that stuff will come into fruition sometime Q2 this year. So yeah, kind of watch the LinkedIn space for now and see what happens.